Hello students, very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I'm fine and fantastic as usual. Yes, in this video we'll discuss about the factors affecting evaporation. In previous video we have discussed the difference between evaporation and boiling and process of evaporation. We know very well what is evaporation. Evaporation is the phenomena in which liquid changes into gaseous state without reaching its boiling point or under the boiling point. Fine, this is the evaporation. Here we'll discuss the factors affecting evaporation. There are six factors. First factor is nature of a liquid, what type of liquid we will be having. Next is temperature, pressure, surface area, humidity, wind speed. First we'll discuss about the nature of a liquid. Different liquids have different rates of evaporation. Different liquids have different rate of evaporation. Means, example, acetone. Acetone evaporates at faster rate than water. Why? Because in acetone, intermolecular force of attraction is weak. In acetone, intermolecular attraction is weak. If energy is required, less energy is required to overcome the attractive forces of the acetone. That is why it evaporates at faster than water. Fine. Second example is alcohol. Alcohol also evaporates at faster rate than water. Fine. Altogether we concluded that the liquid having weak intermolecular force of attraction, that liquid evaporates fastly at a very fast rate. Fine. Yes. Now altogether we concluded that different liquids having different rates of evaporation. Yes, I think this factor is clear to you all. Shall we move to the next factor, that is temperature. Yes. Here it increases, so the rate of evaporation also increases. It increases means when temperature increases, so the rate of evaporation also increases. Why? If a liquid temperature is high, if we are providing the liquid the high temperature, so its rate of evaporation will be increased. Why? The energy is given to that liquid that liquid takes the energy. So their kinetic energy of the molecules or particles take and overcome the force of attraction. That is why they will be leaving the liquid state into vapor state. Fine. It means that temperature is directly proportional to the rate of evaporation. In very short, we can write like this: temperature directly proportional sign and rate of evaporation. Fine. Example: during summer season, wet clothes get dried very quickly just because of high temperature. So that is why rate of evaporation is also increases. Yes, once again we'll have a back look from here. Factors affecting evaporation. There are 6 factors. Today we'll discuss about only 2 factors. First is nature of liquid, second is temperature. Nature of liquid. Different liquids having different rates of evaporation. For example, acetone evaporates at faster rate than water. Alcohol also evaporates at faster rate than water. Why this is? Because in acetone or in alcohol, their intermolecular force of attraction is less. That is why less energy is required to overcome the attractive forces and they will be converting into vapors. Fine. Next is temperature. Temperature increases, so the rate of evaporation also increases. It means that temperature is directly proportional to the rate of evaporation. Why this is happening? Why this is so? When we are increasing the temperature of a liquid, the particles of liquid having the kinetic energy to move or to change its state. If they are having high kinetic energy, then they will be changing the state from liquid to gas. How they will change? If they are having a kinetic energy to overcome the force of attraction. They are having higher kinetic energy, so the force of attraction between the molecules will be less and they will be changing into vapors. Altogether, temperature is directly proportional to the rate of evaporation. For this video, for this session, that's it. Thank you so much.